and the home safety from inside to outside. The alarm panel is designed with a touch screen for more convenient operation. Install this alarm system. When there is an illegal entry into a house, the alarm will ring at the scene. The alarm information will send to your mobile app, and the alarm panel will automatically dial the preset mobile phone number. This alarm panel supports dual Wi-Fi and GSM network communication and to your app connection. Support multiple arm and disarm methods. Panel control, remote control, to your app remote control, RFID tag control.
System disarmed. System armed.
Door and window sensor. Install on the door and the windows. When someone opens the door or window illegally, the sensor will send an alarm signal to the host machine. The host machine will sound the alarm immediately and send an alarm notification. This door and the window sensor also supports temporal alarm. Easy to install. Install in the corner of the room or on the flat wall. Motion detector. Under the deployment state, if movement is detected in the home, will trigger an alarm.
System disarmed.